Well, I'm back at it again, and the bike's getting close to going back on the road. The other day there I done my pre-checks on it, blew up the tyres and checked the lights and oil level and all that crap again, and I noticed that the engine light was on. I actually took it a little whiz up and down the street, and that was when I noticed that the engine management light was on. Now apparently that light was on when I done my oil change video, which was the last video, if you have seen that, and I didn't notice it. It was my mate at work, Peter, that noticed it, because obviously he watched the video, and I told him yesterday that the light was on, and he says, yeah, he says your light was on when you done the oil change, and I hadn't noticed. But then again, I look at engine management lights every day at work. So I've also got 1 bar of fuel in it, so I've been to the petrol station and bought some super unleaded, so I'll chuck that in the tank as well. But I want to see what this light is, so I went and ordered myself a cheap little OBD reader from Amazon, and that's just came literally 5 minutes ago. So I've also bought an adapter lead for it as well, so I'll get that out the packaging, and we'll have a little look at this OBD reader, hook it onto the bike, and see what codes it throws up. The OBD reader, and also the adapter for it. Now this hopefully should be the 6-pin adapter. Scissors. So hopefully this should be the 6-pin adapter for it. Yep, that's the 6-pin. So that will connect into the OBD reader, and the OBD reader will go into the bike. So this was only like 35 quid. So yeah, here's hoping it does the trick. Right, let's get this connected onto the bike and see if we can work it. Right, this is a diagnostic port for the bike, so I want to somehow try and get this open. Push that little tang. Oh, Jesus, man, that's tight. There we go. So now I'm going to grab this and put this into this, and plug this into that. Now we're all connected. Right, turn the bike on, and that's it firing up. Now it'll be interesting to see what it's going to tell us. My mate Peter, he thinks it could be because I was running it on the paddock stand. He said so it could be a speed sensor or something like that. And Peter's quite clued up. Excuse the cat here. So let's have a look. Right, OBD enter. Codes found 0. Let's get you in here, let's get a little zoom. I don't know if you can see that. Right, 0. Read. Right, there we are, it's found the code. P0500 vehicle speed sensor A. So if you're watching this, Peter, you were spot on, mate. Right, I want to clear that. Clear DTC. Error codes, are you sure? Yes. Erasing codes. Done. And the light has went out on the dash. Let's oh, you can't see that there. Let's get you in a bit closer. Right, that's you off the tripod. The light's gone. Happy days. Nice easy fix. So for 35 quid, that was well and truly worth it, I must say. Happy with that. That'll go in my toolbox now along with the other code readers that I've got. Unfortunately the code readers that I've got are not compatible with this. So yeah, let's just start it up to make sure. Happy days. Absolutely ecstatic at that. So let's get all this button back up, and tomorrow I'll be taking it out. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. I think I'll tidy up this garage because it's an absolute tip.